Hello guys, today I'm doing some more code.org and today we'll just be making a mini game and it's going to be based on Star Wars. You don't need to be doing it on Star Wars, but I just prefer doing it on Star Wars for today. So if you have Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, whichever browser you use, go and type in Star Wars. No, I mean like how to get Star Wars block in code.org, and then you will see something called Star Wars code.org. You want to go into this, and you want to go into the blocks. Click try now, and then you need to wait for it to load a bit. And then you want to go to the very last session. You don't need to watch the video, you just need to go to the very last session. If you guys wish to go through these levels and get a bit more understanding, you can also do that, but for today we're just going to skip straight away to the last level. Okay, so you guys can watch the video, but yeah, let's get right into it. So this is what we will be starting off with. And the first thing you need to do is you want to move your green things away, these green event blocks, because they can be moved anywhere and you don't want them to interfere in your code. Number two, you want to take all of this code out and you want to go into commands and you want to look for something called set droid to random. Like, you can set it to random if you want it to be anything specific, like this droid only, you can get it that, or if you want, you can go through and look for any other droid you like this is one droid, and then hidden, maybe like it's gone. So, but I'm just gonna keep it random, and so you guys can pick any droid you want, and then you want to go into commands again. And you want to look for something map. Again, you can pick any map you want. I'm going to keep this map on random too. So the next thing we're going to do is we will be looking. The game is all about I'm just going to be creating something there'll be something called puffer pigs and all these types of different obstacles that you will have to create. And once you create them, the game is to just catch all the characters, and yeah, you'll move into a different round and you've basically finished the game. And the map will give you obstacles to pass, and to make it, and as you can see, the map is changing every time. And so is the character. So, you can go into events and you can say that when you can just get all puffer pigs. You want to keep that event here, just over there. And then you want to go into commands and you want to look for something called add a stormtrooper. And then you want to click the drop down button and you want to get puffer pigs. So, you can do this by adding maybe add as many stormtroopers as you want. And if you guys do have a repeat block, you can put a repeat block into your command and it will come up like that too. But I don't have a repeat block here, so I'm just gonna have to take out a command separately. Also, to make this easier, click on this code that you want to repeat a lot of times, and on your keyboard press Control C. Yeah, and then so the control will be CTRL, and then at C. You want to hold them at the same time, and then you want to do Control V, and as you can see, it's pasting as many without me doing anything. So you can just that will make things a bit easier for you too. I'm just going to add these many puffer pigs, and I want to keep their speed fast. So you want to look set type, so set puffer pig speed to fast, and then set type, and you want to keep this set, and then you want to keep set or set type. So again, this is where things come in really handy. You can do set, you can do set random, and it depends on what characters, but this is, since I'm only doing Puffer Pig, I will be doing Puffer Pig. Now, if you want to be changing your droids one, you have to go for set droid in the commands. So if you look, you'll say set droid to a normal speed. I'm going to keep this slow. So if I press run, you'll see as all the Puffer Pigs are moving, but my droid isn't moving, and you might be wondering, why isn't it moving? Well, this is because I haven't done, like, when a key is pressed, it needs to go this way. So, the first thing we need to do is, when the down arrow is pressed, you need to look, move droid up. And then you want to control C this, and you want to control V it, and V it. So there are 4 of them, and then you want to go, this is when down arrow is pressed, sorry, and this is when up arrow pressed. When left arrow pressed, move droid to the left, and then when right arrow pressed, move droid to the right. So now if I press run, as you can see my droid is moving, and it's making things easier for me. So like this, the game will be hard. The game will get harder and harder. And also, just so you guys like, if you want to add points and make it a bit more fun, you can also do that. So you can go into commands, and you'll see something if you scroll down. Add these many points. So when you don't want to use this yet. But you want to go into events. When obstacle touched, you want to add 10 points. Let's see if this works, because obstacle it's saying. So let's see if I touch this obstacle. Look, it's giving me points. Now that's if that's what you guys want, or that's good. But that's not what we want here. We don't want it to be touched by an obstacle. I want it to be touched when the Puffer Pigs touch it. So when you want to look. When get all characters, add 1,000 points. So if you see, if I get all the characters here, I should be getting 1,000 points. So yes, the game might be a bit annoying. As you can see, I just got 1,000 points. Now, again, this is, you guys don't need to do this. You don't need to do the scoring or any of this, but just when I like to do it, when get Puffer Pig, I like to add 100 points. So when I touch any Puffer Pig, as you can see, I'll be getting 100 points. So this is exactly what I wanted to. You guys can put different scores, or you don't even have to put scores. But I just like to make the game a bit more fun and put some scores. As you can see, 800, and if I get this one, it's 900. So 900. But you guys can end your game there. But if you guys don't want to end the game, and you want to continue, you could do like, maybe like, you could do another one like you could do like set an ender background, and set an ender background and commands, and then you could do like, add a few stormtroopers, like Control C, Control V. Add a few stormtroopers in the game. I'll probably put 4, and then I also want Control C, another Control V, and then I want to change it to maybe let's see, I can do a random. So yeah, I can do. In this case, I'll just be doing 2. A Minoc. Minocs are they're okay characters too. They're not too bad, not too good. They're okay. And then we got to go into commands, and we have to set type, set stormtrooper to fast, and set. I'm just gonna copy paste it, Control V, and set Minoc or Minoc, I don't know how you say it, to that. And then I also, when this round comes, I also want to set my droid speed to normal, because these things are pretty fast, to be honest. So I just like, you can get all of these. And remember guys, you can use your own creativity. You don't need to use puffer pigs or any of this. You can do your things differently. I'm just doing it this way because this is the way I like it. It does take some time to get the puffer pigs, since they run away when they see you. As you can see, the Minocs are pretty fast, so you would be needing a normal speed thing. Now, since it's normal speed, I would also like to add something that would match up with it. So instead of using stormtroopers, I'm going to be using something called it's called a probot. You might not think it sounds very good, or you could use a mouse droid. I'm going to spawn a mouse, get all of these. Yeah. So this is a bit annoying. So when you guys are testing, I suggest you keep your droid to super fast, just because you're testing it and you want to get through the things quickly. You guys can keep it super fast so that you can get all the things and see if your next round is working. Now, as you can see, they're still the same. Unfortunately, I haven't put a mouse droid in the game, my bad. So that is where I went wrong. I forgot to keep a mouse droid in the game. I set the speed of it, but I didn't keep the actual character in the game. As you can see, there's a mouse droid on the left corner of my screen. And these things are very, very super duper fast. That's why instead of using a Minoc, I prefer using a mouse droid, because they are very fast and they would match the speed of normal, and it would make the game more fun and more challenging. So I'm going to keep a few stormtroopers still in the game. Okay, so this is where this happens, and one get oops, sorry. So I want to get any character, add 100 points. So where is it? Add 100 points. So I can remove this now. And if I go touch them now, you'll see I'm getting 100 points. So this is where I'm going to be ending my game, and I'm just going to go into commands and press end game as a win if he gets all of them. Now this is where a problem might come. You might see like, oh yeah, oh no, there's things coming. So when it should say, go into events, and when get all characters, we're gonna go end game as a win, and this should work perfectly fine. And yeah. So you guys can just have a quick try. Again, you can use your own creativity. You do not need to copy what I just did, but you can use your own creativity, and you might get to a lot of other different places. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you've had a great time, and I hope you can create more more apps like this, and this has helped you, remember to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, and